All right, beef ribs need to be cooked at 225 degrees, so I actually preheated the oven while I was preparing the ribs to 200. I'm going to take it to 225. You'll need a timer, whether it be an egg timer or a timer on your stove. This stove has a timer. For the beef ribs, I'm going to set it at 6.5 hours, and I will check them periodically. There we go, 6.5 hours.